Hey everyone, Tony here. I recently went through my bills and realized I was paying for the same thing twice. If you've got a separate water protection plan on top of your homeowner's insurance, you might be throwing money away. Today, I'm going to show you how I use Gemini AI to find hidden savings in minutes. Last year, I had a nasty sewer backup in my basement. I had to run a 100-foot snake through the clean out, and when it came back up, there were roots on the end of it. A friend of mine suggested I get American Water Resource Insurance, just in case those roots caused a total pipe collapse. Since then, I've been using Roebic root killer every 3 months, but with my American Water Resources renewal coming up, I started wondering, am I actually protected? Or am I paying for a coverage I already had? I had 4 different policy documents with American Water Resources and 20 different policy documents from Progressive. Comparing that manually is a headache. To make it easier for the AI, I used a free tool called Combine PDF. It let me merge all those files in just 2 master PDFs. I'll leave the link in the description below if you need to use it. Now I'm going to drop those files into Gemini. And now I'm asking Gemini, I have uploaded 2 separate files, one containing my American Water Resources protection plans and one containing my Progressive Homeowners policy. I put a note in there for it because each company uses different language. So I told the Gemini, please treat Progressive Service Line Endorsement and American Water Resources water sewer line protection as the same thing for this comparison. Then I gave it a task. Your task: act as a professional insurance auditor. Create a side-by-side comparison table with the following columns. Number 1, coverage type: water line, sewer line, in-home plumbing. 2, American Water Resource coverage details. 3, Progressive Service Line endorsement details. 4, Redundancy Status. Clearly identify if Progressive already covers what American Water Resources is charging for. After the table, give me a final cancel or keep recommendation for each of the 4 American Water Resource policies based strictly on whether the coverage is already provided by Progressive. Now we're going to hit submit. Now these are some pretty big documents, so it's going to take a little bit more than a couple seconds for it to go through. But here we go. It's already got answers coming up. The table. Water line is redundant. Sewer line redundant. Electric redundant. In-home plumbing not redundant. The final cancel or keep recommendations based on the redundancy audit. Here are the recommendations. American Water Resource water line protection says to cancel. Sewer line protection wants to cancel. American Water Resource electric plumbing protection says to keep. Plus a little audit note. Please verify the limit of liability on your Progressive policy. While American Water Resources typically has specific limits, $3,500 per occurrence, Progressive policies often have a $10,000 limit, which offers superior protection for major excavation. Now, even though I'm canceling the extra insurance, I'm still staying on top of maintenance. I'll leave links in the description for the Roebic root killer I use to keep those lines clear, and the 100-foot power snake I use to clear my backup. If you're a do-it-yourselfer like me, having these in the garage is a lifesaver. Don't let the insurance companies double dip on your hard-earned money. Check the description for the prompts and the gear. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to Tony's Novice Tutorials. See you in the next one.